Hello, my dear student. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you and your family member safe at home. Yes or no? So, in this Corona crisis, I will not let your study. So, I am doing my best. So, you cannot distance from your study. Yes or no? So, uh, in the previous classes, I already discussed the obesity, the balanced diet. Yes or no? And the rules of the vitamin and mineral in your food. Yes or no? So all the things already I have discussed. So in this period I will discuss the deficiency disease. Yes or no? So let's discuss deficiency disease. Okay, write down. So disease. So in your mind one question is coming now. So we are eating so many types of food. Why we are facing deficiency disease? Yes or no? So you think about it. Okay. So deficiency disease is happen due to the shortage of a nutrient in our food. Yes or no? So daily we are eating. Yes or no? Daily we are eating different type of food. So suppose today I had a what? Rice, some vegetables. Okay. Tomorrow I had I had chapati. All the things. Yes or no? So in different, you think observe in a week we are eating different type of food. Okay. So but all food does not contain. Okay. So all food does not contain what all type of nutrient. So that's why we are facing the deficiency disease. Yes or no? So you think suppose a child. Okay, suppose a child, so it is required protein type of food. Okay, so moong dal or fruit, fish, milk, if you not provide this type of food in their dish. Okay, so what will happen, the child, the growth may be not grow. Yes or no? And decolorization of their hair, you observe some children in the very little age. Okay, so the hair is look like what, it is a white color. Yes or no? And they are facing, okay, they are facing so many problem. The stomach will come out, and the some on the cheek and all the things, it will be shallow. Yes or no? So these problem they are facing due to the deficiency of disease. Okay, so let's discuss of what is deficiency disease. Okay, so write down disease. Okay, that occurs, okay, due to lack of nutrient. Okay, disease that occur due to lack of a nutrient. Okay, lack of a nutrient over a long period, over a long period. Okay, so is called okay, is called deficiency disease. Okay, deficiency, okay, disease. Yes or no? So these are called what? Deficiency disease. Yes or no? So disease that occur due to lack of a nutrient. Okay. So already I told you. Okay. So we have five nutrient. Yes or no? So if this nutrient is lack of our food or shortage of our food, so what will happen? We can or you can, okay, face the deficiency disease. Yes or no? So okay, so you can face a deficiency disease. Yes or no? So you think about a person. Okay, so if a person does not get enough nutrient in his food, okay, you think about your brother or sister in your surrounding. Okay, your neighbors. Okay, so if a person, a child, does not get enough food in their, okay, in his their dish, he or she, okay, so face the deficiency disease. Okay, yes or no? So how can we prevent the deficiency disease? So eating balanced diet. Yes or no? we can prevent the deficiency disease. Yes or no? So write down. Eating all deficiency, okay? All deficiency disease can be prevented, okay? By eating what? Balanced diet. Yes or no? So balanced diet contain what? All five nutrient. Yes or no? Protein is there, fat is there, mineral is there. So these are called a balanced diet. Okay. So all deficiency disease can be prevented by eating what? Balanced diet. Okay. So in that balanced diet, it contain all type of nutrient, vitamin, protein, mineral. Yes or no? So contain. So deficiency of a vitamin and a mineral. You think about the deficiency of a vitamin and mineral. So what will happen? Result you can face some disease. Yes or no? So how can we prevent this disease? Okay. You think about the protein. So the deficiency of a protein. Okay. So it causes a disease called kwashiorkor and marasmus. Okay. Write down. Okay. So write down. Write down. So protein. You think about the protein. Yes or no? So deficiency of okay. Deficiency of protein. Okay. In child. Okay. In child causes. Okay. So in the child. Okay. Causes kwashiorkor. Okay. Okay. But in adult causes marasmus. Okay. So the deficiency of protein. So this question is important. Okay. This question it may be come in your exam. So you should remember this question. Okay. So deficiency of protein in child. Okay. In child causes kwashiorkor. Okay. And in adult it causes marasmus. Okay. So tell me what is kwashiorkor? So kwashiorkor means it's the swollen the stomach. You observe in your village area some children due to the deficiency of a nutrient, okay, protein, what will happen? They don't have stomach. Yes or no? You think the stomach is like look like bend. Yes or no? And all the hand, all the things they are very thin. Yes or no? So this child they are facing the deficiency of what? Protein food. Okay. And you think about the marasmus. Okay. So marasmus it is happen to the adult. Okay. So due to the protein, okay, adult causes marasmus. Okay. So marasmus it is. So marasmus is okay. Stop the body growth. Okay. Body growth. Okay. So what will happen? You see, you observe some child. Okay. So some child. Okay. So their mother and father they are very high. Okay. But their child is very small. Okay. They are very dwarf. Okay. Very small. Okay. In Kannada it is called what? Gedi or your language. Okay. So what will happen? Due to this the what? So due to the deficiency of protein. Okay. So in that their child is due to the deficiency of protein, so it causes marasmus. Okay. So marasmus means it stop the body growth. Okay. Your body will be not growth. Yes or no? So deficiency of a protein in child causes kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor means swelling of the stomach. Yes or no? And what adult causes marasmus. disease. Okay, you have to remember this. This is important. Okay, for your exam. Okay, for your exam. Okay, then let's discuss some vitamin and mineral. So due to the deficiency of these vitamin and mineral, some children or some adult how they are facing some disease. Yes or no? So always you have to eat the equal amount of nutrient. If you eat over, it may be causes disease. If you eat it very less, it may be causes disease. Yes or no? So always you have to remember, you have to eat equal amount of nutrient. Then only you will be healthy and okay. Yes or no? And always you have to maintain. Okay, maintain your body, all the things, and you have to do exercise. Yes or no? So this is the, then only you always be healthy. Yes or no? So make a table. Yes or no? So make a table in your textbook. So already it is given. So just I am explain. Okay. So it is, you think it is vitamin or it is called a mineral. Okay. So it is a deficiency. Okay, deficiency disease. Okay. So due to the deficiency of what disease will be happen. Okay. So then symptom. What are the symptom? Symptom means what are the symptom means it is called lakshana. Okay. So what are the symptom? You can look. You can identify. This is the deficiency of protein or this is the deficiency of vitamin. Yes or no? So first one. Okay. So first one is it is the deficiency of vitamin A. Okay. So vitamin A. So vitamin A. Yes or no? So many vitamin is there, na? So deficiency of vitamin causes what? Okay, loss of vision. Okay, loss of vision. So you can observe in your classroom some child very in the very low age they are using glass in their eye. Okay, yes or no? Why? Because the child they are facing the nutrient mineral. Okay, so vitamin A. Yes or no? So they are not eating vitamin A food. Okay, that's why they are facing loss of vision. Loss of vision means they cannot see. Yes or no? It is look they can see very slightly. Yes or no? So what are the symptoms? Okay, how can you now this student facing the loss of vision? Okay, you can see poor vision or cannot read. Yes or no? Poor vision. Okay, or you can see loss of vision. Yes or no? So these some symptom you can easily identify. So this child face. Okay, so vitamin B1. Vitamin B1. Okay, so vitamin B1 it causes beriberi. What is beriberi? Okay, beriberi means so sometimes what will happen when we are brush. Okay, at that time blood is okay, blood is come out na. Yes or no? So these are the deficiency of vitamin B1. Yes or no? So very it is weak muscle. Okay, symptom how can now weak muscle. Yes sir. Okay, then vitamin C. Vitamin C. Okay, so due to the vitamin C it is causes a disease called scurvy. Okay, so scurvy means okay, so bleeding of gums or bleeding of blood from your teeth. Okay, bleeding of blood. Okay, from teeth. Yes or no? So you can now, so this is due to the scurvy. Okay, deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Okay, vitamin D. So vitamin D, so it causes what? Rickets. Which disease? It causes rickets. Okay, so rickets. So how can now bones become soft? Become soft and bend. Yes or no? So if some very low age, some there the bone become and it is down. Yes or no? So due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Okay, tell me which food you can get vitamin D. So it is sunlight. Yes or no? Then other things tell me. So it is sunlight, salt. Yes or no? And some carrot you can get this from this food, fish, chicken. From in this food you have to get vitamin D. Yes or no? Then calcium. Okay. So it is a mineral. Calcium is a mineral. Yes or no? So due to the deficiency of calcium, it causes which disease? Bone and teeth decay. Bone and teeth decay. Decay means, okay. So what will happen? Due to calcium, okay, it is a mineral. What will happen? Your in your teeth, okay, teeth decay will be happen. Okay, decay means थोड़ा निकाल जाता है ना दांत से. So this is called a bone and a teeth decay. Okay. So how can you now? Okay. So weak bone and what? Tooth decay. Yes or no? Then iodine. Okay. So the deficiency of iodine. Okay. So in the deficiency of iodine, it causes one disease, goiter. Okay. So you think, okay, if you not eat iodine, which food you can get iodine? It is the seafood and salt. So what will happen? The deficiency of food, it is happen goiter. Goiter means what will happen in your neck position? So a ball-like structure you will find out here. Okay. So this is called goiter. So this disease will happen due to the iodine. Yes or no? So what are the symptoms? Gland in the neck. Okay. So in the neck position, a ball-like structure is called. It's called a gland. Yes or no? Yes or no? Then come to, okay. So this is over. Then remaining two is there. Okay. Don't worry, I will write. Okay. Okay. So again you write it is what? Iron. Yes or no? So deficiency of iron causes what? Anemia. Okay. So anemia, it is a one type of disease. So where we can get the iron food? So cabbage, spinach, okay, or some leaves, okay. So in that food and some vegetables, okay. So in that food we can get iron. If you not iron food, what will happen? You face which type of disease? It is anemia. Okay. So how can you now? So if you feel weakness, okay, weakness. So these are called the deficiency of iron. Okay. Then you think about the vitamin D, vitamin K. Sorry, vitamin K. So vitamin D, the deficiency of vitamin K. Okay. So it is causes which type of disease? Okay. Cannot do not blood, okay, clot. Okay. So how can you now symptom? Blood cannot clot. Okay. So deficiency of vitamin K. Okay. So vitamin K, where which food we can get vitamin K? So it is you think about the some spinach, yes or no, and the green vegetables. Okay. So in this food, vitamin K is there. So vitamin K help in the your blood clotting. Okay. You think what will happen if you cut your finger or anything? What will happen after 2 minutes or 3 minutes? The blood clotting in the blood bleeding is stop. Yes or no? So if you not suppose in your body, so this type of vitamin is not there. So what will happen? Do not blood clot. Okay. So blood cannot clotting. Okay. Very fast. Okay. Suppose your blood is bleeding very maximum time. Okay. So then you can now you are a deficiency of vitamin K. Yes or no? So this table is important for you for your exam view of point, yes or no? So you have to remember all the nutrient and the deficiency. Always you have to remember the deficiency disease. This question will be come in your exam. Okay, so this is the important table. Okay, so if you this chapter already finished. Okay, so if you have doubt in this chapter, you can comment me or ask me. I always ready for your answer. Yes or no? So thank you.